Hey everybody, Jay here, and a video that I have been promising people for weeks. I do apologize about the delay, so I figured let's get it done, so I can get it on YouTube and hopefully help a handful of you out that are having difficulty with using Discord. Um, Joining the Discord is pretty much self-explanatory. You just got to click the link and join. And if you don't have an account, it will walk you through the steps of signing up for an account. It's very easy, it's straightforward. Even the people who are having issues using the Discord found that the sign up process is super friendly and easy to do. But and this will be for PC. Mobile will look the same, but it will be different, okay? But I'm going to cover the PC software. It's a free to use piece of software that you download and install on your computer. This is something that you can just leave open, okay? So you can't see it, but in the lower right hand corner of your computer where your time is, you should have a little up arrow. If you click on that, you will more than likely have your Discord icon in there. You can grab it with the left click on your mouse and drag it down to your icons that are showing next to your time so that you can always see your Discord icon. You do not, and I repeat, you do not need to quit Discord. You do not need to sign out of Discord. Once you sign up for an account and you sign into the app, you stay signed in. Okay? Again, as I've said before, picture this as a message board of the past, like the old V bulletin boards from like the 90s and early 2000s, mixed with the AOL chat rooms into one, and they just make it look nice, fancy, and shiny. So you see, once you get in here, you will land in the welcome channel, okay? There are simple rules for the Beyond the Dark server. Read them. You don't have to acknowledge, but I've had 10 people who give the thumbs up, pretty much tell me they read it, they're cool with it, they agree. Again, you don't have to. Just this is where we start in the welcome channel. Down this whole side pane are different channels. Again, if we look at it like a message board, these would just be different categories for where you put your forum post, right? So if you go down, you got the announcements. This is where, important announcements are going to be posted. Not meant for you to post in there, meant for the admins, me and Oak, to post some important announcements if we need you to know. The general chat room is quite literally what it means. It's general chat. You can chat about pretty much anything in this room. As you see, I have been posting my what we're going to show you tonight on YouTube, so that if you're not paying attention to the YouTube posts but you're in Discord, you will see that and know what is going to play tonight. The next channel is the Alien Alliance. This is where you talk about anything aliens, UFOs, anything like that. I just put an AI generated image of an alien to pop off the convo. The next room is Art Bell. Self-explanatory. This is where I post all of the Art Bell streams that we do, so that for your reference you can go back, click on any of them at any time. Just clicking this YouTube link will take you to that page, or you can play it directly. You can play it directly in the Discord app, and you don't even have to go to YouTube. It's a really good feature. The next channel we have is News Bits. For all the people that are part of the Facebook community page, they get extra news bits every day. I go ahead and I transfer those news bits from the Facebook page to Discord, so if you are part of the Discord and not part of the Facebook community, you're still not missing out. You can get your daily news bits. The next one is the Cryptids Council, and this is where anything related to cryptozoology, cryptids will go. As you see, Goji has already participated, and she, posted pictures of a footprint casting that they did back in 2019, and I posted a video that I saw on YouTube that had to do with the Thunderbird. The next channel is Beyond the Dark, another self-explanatory one where I will be posting every BTD episode that is to come. and we're getting ready and we're gearing up for tonight's episode covering time travel and temporal anomalies. The next channel is Phantom Frequencies. Again, another self-explanatory channel where I will be posting all Phantom Frequency specials that you can play right here in the Discord. Another channel is Questions for Jay. If you don't want to email me and you just want to ask me a quick question or you want to ask me anything, this is what this channel is for. You go ahead and you click down in this message and you type your question and you hit enter and it will send the question. The Reading Corner is kind of the equivalent to the BTD Book Club. It's where I'm going to post my library grabs that I need to update. It's where I'm going to occasionally post some EPUB books that you can download and read on your tablet or your computer. I'll make another separate video probably explaining what an EPUB is and what software, what free software you can use on your computer to view these books. But just for example, if you wanted to download this, you just hover over the link and then see how these two things popped up? See how they just pop once I hover over? You hit the down arrow and that will download the file to your computer. Memes and pictures, another self-explanatory. If you like memes, if you want to post pictures of your pets, they will go in this channel. Videos is for pretty much any YouTube video you come across that you feel like sharing with the community. I welcome all videos, even your own. So if Rev Kim Love is watching this video and you want to try to get your video out to more people, I encourage you to share your links in the videos channel by simply copying and pasting the link in the message field down below and hitting enter. Again, you will be able to watch them directly in Discord and it will still count towards your analytics in YouTube. I have recently been putting my Alternative Worlds videos in here. It's a sister channel that I run. Haven't really been adding to it lately because I've been super busy, but that's what I've been using that for. Rank checking is simply where you are going to check your rank. Now, what are ranks? If you participate in Discord, send messages, talk to people, you get experience points. After a certain amount of experience points, you level up, and this will keep track of your rank. So by me checking my rank, all I need to do is type in !rank. And then I get a private message. And I'm rank number 1, I'm level 7, and I currently have 121 experience points, and to hit level 8, I need 695. This is really just cosmetic. It's just to show engagement level, how active are you in the community. The logbook channel you guys don't have view on, okay, that's just for me and Oak, the admins, and that basically just shows us who comes and who goes. Now, here comes the cool stuff. The voice channels. Yes, you can do real-time voice chat with your friends here on Beyond the Dark Discord. You literally just have to left-click the voice channel to join it. The first one is called Movie Night, and this is a stage channel. This really isn't meant for people to just jump in and talk. This is where once we start doing movie nights, once the community gets big enough and we start doing movie nights, I will show a movie. And you simply need to left-click on this to join it, and then you will see the movie that I'm streaming, and in there we can chat about it in real time while we watch. We're not going to do voice chat because then, you know, that will interrupt the movie audio. So we will chat as we watch the movie. Really cool feature. Now let's say 2 people want to have a voice chat. You left-click on the general voice channel, and then you join it. As you see, I left-clicked it, and boom, I'm in there. So now you can see down here I'm voice connected and I'm in the general voice chat. So if you want to disconnect from the voice chat channel, you simply click this icon, disconnect. If I hold in, I don't know what it is like for you guys. You can go into user settings and look at it, but for me, I just have to hold in the control key, the left control key on my keyboard, and see how it highlighted. And it's got a green thing around it. That means that I'm actively talking, and whoever is in this channel can now hear what I am saying. I let it go, and that green ring goes away. So you can pop into user settings by hitting that gear. Here, I probably did that too fast. User settings, left click, and now yes, You can easily become overwhelmed by the settings. Do not let this overwhelm you. You only need what you need. Some people only need a couple of these. Some people, they are control freaks and they need everything. But when we come in here, we're going to simply go down to voice and video, input mode, push to talk or voice activity. If you have voice activity checked, it's pretty much going to smartly detect when you are talking and then make you active. But you need to remember, I mean, maybe you say stuff to yourself. I talk to myself sometimes. I'm not afraid to admit it. It's going to pick that up. So that's why I recommend using push to talk. Therefore, they're not hearing when your dog barks or whenever you hit the keyboard. If you have a mechanical keyboard, it'll pick that up. Push to talk, and then I make the shortcut the control key. You can click edit keybind and literally just hit the key that you want and boom, it will do it. So now when I hit control and I'm in a voice chat channel, I will be talking to you guys. I recommend switching that to push to talk. Again, you just go into the user settings, come down here to app settings, voice and video, input mode. Very important. Also up here, you can set your input device, which really should just stay on default. Your output device should stay on default. And then you can actually do a check, okay? So you can test your mic and make sure that your sounds are registering. So if I go, let's check. Hello, hello. See? And as you saw, you could hear a little reverb because I'm recording and currently using my mic. But when I did that, you saw it register on the bar. I know my mic is working. So now I can just hit escape on the keyboard or click this X. And now I'm back to the Discord. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from the voice channel. Now you see, boom, I'm gone. Okay? So that's how you use voice channels. Now, you're saying you want to post a picture, but you don't know how. You go to the memes and pictures channel. Make sure that you left click inside this lower box. See my blinking cursor? Now I can type or whatever, so I can say my dog. And then I would click the plus button. Upload a file. And then your file explorer is going to open and you just direct it to where the photo is on your computer and choose it. So if I go into here to the photos, you're not seeing the photos. I know that. You're not seeing file explorer. You're not supposed to. But I'm going to check a pic of me and my cat Winston, and I'm going to hit open, and then boom. See? It's me and Winston. And now well, I should say my cat. Testing purposes. And then I'm going to hit enter. Processing, boom. There it is. My cat, testing purposes. And now you can click and see it's me and my cat Winston chilling like a villain at my old apartment. So, that is how you post pictures. That's how you post text messages. Okay? If you want to come into the reading corner and post your review on a book, you type in there. This is super simple, guys. Okay? This is not meant to be hard. It's hard when you make it hard. You do not need to understand every little bitty detail. You just need to know how to post, how to upload a file, how to join a voice chat room, so on and so forth. If you have any questions about specifics of stuff that maybe I did not cover that you want me to cover, please let me know. I'll make another video, but I don't want to make this too long. We're already at about 15 minutes, and that's too long. So I want to hold your attention. I hope I answered all your questions. Please show me that you understand the Discord by coming on into the Beyond the Dark Discord and saying hello in the general chat room. I hope to see you guys later. Have a great day. Peace.